Before you make your purchase, there are 12 key things you should know about PrepostSEO and how it stacks up against other generative AI software in the market. If you're on the hunt for tools to help you automate tasks like SEO, content generation, and more, stick around until the end to see if PrepostSEO is really the right fit for you. First up, PrepostSEO offers a range of tools, but compared to other AI-driven platforms, the quality of its features is a bit of a mixed bag. While it's affordable, it doesn't quite match up to the more robust offerings from competitors in terms of deep customizability or advanced functionality. Next thing, user-friendliness. One of the benefits of PrepostSEO is that it's incredibly simple to use. You don't need a lot of experience to get started. But in contrast, some competitors like Copy.ai or Jasper offer more intuitive interfaces with faster learning curves and better onboarding processes. If ease of use is your priority, PrepostSEO might be a solid choice, but it's not the leader in this area. The third thing to keep in mind is the range of features available. PrepostSEO does offer a variety of tools, like a plagiarism checker, keyword analyzer, and article rewriter, but it doesn't go as far in offering specialized generative AI tools like Jasper, which provides content creation, image generation, and even email writing in a seamless platform. Moving on to the fourth thing, pricing. PrepostSEO's pricing is one of its biggest selling points. It's more affordable than most alternatives, making it a great choice for businesses on a budget. However, while it's budget-friendly, you'll often find that the more expensive tools come with additional features, better support, and more advanced AI capabilities. The fifth thing, customer support. PrepostSEO offers decent support, but lacks the fast, real-time chat options that some of its competitors have, like Jarvis or Writesonic. If you're the type who needs quick help or dedicated assistance, you might feel limited by PrepostSEO's standard support options. Next, we have the sixth thing to consider, integrations. PrepostSEO isn't as versatile when it comes to integrations. It works with the basics, but it doesn't connect to as many third-party tools as some competitors, such as Jasper or Copy.ai, which can be integrated with multiple platforms and workflows. The seventh thing is scalability. PrepostSEO works for small businesses or individual users, but when it comes to scaling, it can fall short. Larger companies might need more powerful AI tools like Writesonic or Phrase, which are built with scalability in mind and offer better team collaboration features. The eighth thing, quality of content generated. PrepostSEO's AI-generated content can be hit or miss. While it handles basic tasks well, more complex content types, like creative writing or long-form blog posts, may require heavy editing. In comparison, competitors like Copy.ai or Jasper have more sophisticated algorithms for generating higher quality, more engaging content. Moving to the ninth thing, speed. PrepostSEO is pretty fast at what it does, but competitors often outperform it in terms of response time, especially when handling larger volumes of tasks. If you're looking for speed in content generation or other AI-driven processes, you might want to consider other tools that are optimized for quicker results. The 10th thing is updates and innovation. PrepostSEO tends to be a bit slow when it comes to updates. While competitors like Jasper and Writesonic regularly roll out new features and improvements, PrepostSEO lags behind in terms of cutting-edge advancements in AI technology. For those looking for a constantly evolving tool, this could be a deal breaker. The 11th thing to consider is data privacy. PrepostSEO takes standard precautions to protect user data, but it doesn't offer the same level of transparency or security as some other tools, like Copy.ai or Jasper, which are known for their high standards in data protection. If security is a top concern for your business, it's something to keep in mind. Finally, the 12th thing, PrepostSEO's free trial. They offer a 7-day free trial, which gives you a chance to test out the platform before committing. However, when compared to other free trials from platforms like Jasper, which offer longer trial periods, or even free plans with limited features, PrepostSEO's trial can feel a bit limited. So,